Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn how we can make beautiful animations easily for your storytelling, marketing, or whatever it is. You don't need to have any technical knowledge, and you can make it in minutes with the help of Canva. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Video in 2 minutes. Right now, we are on the home screen. From here, you can browse to the video section, and from there, you can click on any type of video you want to make, like TikTok or whatever. I'm clicking the YouTube here. Now we are on the editing section. From here, you can go over to elements and choose any element you want, like graphical or photos. I'm going with the graphics. And from there, since I'm making a matte-off scene, I'm searching for that. And from there, I will choose a relevant image. I chose this one. And now, I will add some animated elements like the trees and all. I will add some trees here to make it look more alive and attract you. I will add some bunch of trees over there. And you can add other relevant elements that make sense. This is not the main part here. You know, this thing already adding animated elements. Just stick with me for a minute. Okay, alright. Now, we'll add animations to this element. This is the main part. So click on the element, and then click over to the animations. From there, you can click on the Create an Animation and animate the element the way you want it to be animated. Like the way you wanted it to be moved like this. This is how you do with the H element. This is how it will look like.